Welcome. This video is briefly going to show you how to use Glogster. Glogster is a free application that allows students to make interactive posters. Now, one important thing to note is that I went to edu.glogster.com as opposed to the normal site glogster.com. The reason for this is that the education version of the site has some special features that are very useful to educators. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, but first, if you haven't signed up, you'll need to create an account. Now this is your dashboard. I don't need to activate the premium version or anything. I'm going to activate later. This is the dashboard. A couple of things that are worth noting here. Under students, you could actually add your students here. That way all your student accounts are centralized. You can control them, you can keep track of what they're making, you can send them messages. So that allows you to keep track of all your students and their projects, which is very helpful. If I wanted to create a new glog, which is what they call their interactive posters, I would click the Create New Glog button here in the middle. Okay. Now you see there's already kind of a pre-populated poster space here. Now if I wanted to change something that was on here, if I wanted to move this, I could just click on it and drag. It's very easy to rotate. If I want to delete, I just hit the trash button. So they really spent a lot of time trying to make this easy to use. So if I wanted to, for example, add a picture, all I would need to do is click Image. I can do a couple of different things. I can upload it from my computer. I can add a link. So just paste it in there. Say I'm working on a World War II project. And then I can just click on it and hit Use. And it adds it right there. You can add frames, you can add links. Videos work the same way. Text works the same way. You pick what you want to write, or you pick the style that you want to use to write. You move it, resize it wherever you need to. And then you hit Edit just to type in whatever you need. And you can change the font and color and all that at the top. Now, the reason Glogster is more useful than a regular poster is that the connections you can make using the images, using the videos, linking to outside sources for more information can allow the learning to go much deeper than it could within a traditional poster. You can make connections to different areas. Okay, so if I was done, I would hit Save and Publish, and that would allow me to save it and embed it on other websites. I'm going to hit Exit because I'm not saving this particular one. And then when you're all done, all of your glogs will be on your page. So you can stop and go down and look at the different glogs that you've made. So for example, here's a quadratic equation one that I made for working with a math class. It even gives you a link if you want to just send people to it. Or you can embed it on your own website just by copying that code. So it works very, very easily. Students catch on very quickly, and it allows them to take their learning much deeper. So this is a very important website to have in your toolkit.